Hello, Janna here with a quick tip on an easier way to enter your tapestry needle into your tapestry when you're doing finishing techniques. So one way that I often do is as I'm sitting on the couch or something, is just pick up the tapestry, enter the needle in. The con there is that you can accidentally go through your tapestry and bring your warp through and have it show on the front of your tapestry. So using the side of a table helps with that. So it creates a nice flat surface for your tapestry. You can place your fingers on either side of the area that you're putting through just to create some stability. And then it's just straight down and super quick. Also, having this edge of the table be a place where I can have my hand be lower down and just more ergonomic in terms of getting that done is really nice. And you don't need to thread your needle in that position. It's not necessarily easier. It's just entering the needle into the tapestry is a lot easier using the side of a table. If you're left-handed, you'll probably use the left-hand side of your table.